Hello and welcome to Magical Maiden's Jewelry Tutorials. So forgive for any background noise. I have the windows open. It's a nice day, and so there'll be some outside noise. Okay, so today what I wanted to show you, this is just a quick one. I'm not doing anything yet, but I have all these sequences. So I want to give you guys an idea of how you can make different types of jewelry using sequences. So now what I have here is, you might have seen some of my other jewelry tutorials where I featured some of the things that I created with these particular sequences. I also have some crafts with these stars. Now they're stickers, see? And you're supposed to peel this part over here and then stick them, but you don't have to. You can actually remove these quite easily. And then you can paint, and I'm going to see if I have some in my drawer. Yes, I do. Some silver. This is pretty cheap nail polish. It's Sinful Colors. And you can get this anywhere, usually at Walmart. And it's just glitter nail polish, silver glitter. And you can put that over the front and the back. Okay, it just makes sure you get every bit of this off. Now what you could also do is take two of these together after you remove the adhesive off. Okay, so you can make earrings. You can punch a hole using a thumbtack, basically a push pin. Okay, so these I had purchased at Hobby Lobby. Everything you're seeing as far as the sequences in these, I got at Hobby Lobby, and they're pretty much not that expensive at all. Okay, so you can make lots of different jewelry with that. I've made necklaces, you can make earrings, and again, you could just put some of this to add a little sparkle if you wanted to. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is I use these. Now they come in a package, and the package looks similar, hold on, to this, where you get 3 different sizes and 3 different kinds. Okay, so it doesn't come in here, it comes in a package just like this. All right, and you can see the sequences. You can find them in the jewelry section at Hobby Lobby, and they have different kinds. They have square, they have these type that are iridescent, and you have clear ones and square clear ones that are kind of iridescent, and you got round ones, and they're all different shapes and sizes. Okay, and different types too, because this isn't iridescent, but it's got like a weird, I don't know, like some kind of see, like creases in it. So I've used quite a bit of these. I've made necklaces, whole chains of them, chokers. So you can find all the things I created with these particular sequences in my jewelry tutorial playlist. Okay, so I had got this first, but the other day I went to the store and I got these, and they were only 99 cents. And they always have like 30% off, 40% off, 50% off. So you just got to look at Hobby Lobby at any given time in different departments. But this was already cheap. It was only 99 cents. And I bought these really big ones. Now they would make great earrings. You can put them in 3, 2, or just 1. You can make a choker. Or there's another great crafting idea. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be making jewelry as well as my crafting idea. I might have to pick up more of these. They're only 99 cents. Let's see how many they give you. They don't really, this is 40 millimeters. It doesn't say a number. It's normally, I guess, $1.99, but they put this at 99 cents. Hopefully they're still 99 cents. And then I got these. Now they're not the mixture, and they're They're about the same size as the ones that come in the mixed bag with the iridescence. There's no iridescence or clear. It's just simply these silver ones, okay? So they still should be 99 cents, but if not, it might be $1.99. But again, they always have sales. So you always check back. But they're relatively inexpensive, and you can do a lot of different things with these, okay? The next things I got, and I bought 2 of these. I bought a package of these, like I showed you. They come in different sizes, but none of them are iridescent. They're all this nice royal blue. I happen to like this color, and it looks really nice with silver, so you can mix it up with the silver. Then I got 2 packages of the black. I figured, why not? You can make danglies off of earrings, you know, where you would normally use beads. You know, you can replace the beads with sequences. It gives you the shine and shimmer, and it's more lightweight. And why not? It's inexpensive, and it gives you that sparkle you're looking for. And in different sizes again. And they're all round, though. Okay. Poke holes, you just use a push pin like this. And because sometimes you need it end to end, like the sequences come with a hole usually up top. But if you want to make one with the bottom, at the bottom, if you're connecting them, you do another hole like that. If, like these, have the hole in the center. So, you know, you can make a little hole if you didn't want to do that. And some people don't like that, but then you can use thread and put a bead so that the center part is hidden. Or you can just use that. It doesn't matter. There's so much. And then the bigger one, you still can put a jump ring through it. But if you didn't want to, you can make another hole. And that little hole won't matter. It's just part of a design then. So you could do a lot of different things with this. You can make necklaces, earrings, bracelets. Again, they don't just have to be to put on fabrics. So I like to just show you these little different things to get. And you can do a lot of different things with sequences. So not many people think of that. They think in the terms of you have to use beads and other things, but these are great to mix in with beads as well. Okay, another thing I purchased was this string. Now this is normally $7.99, but there was like, I think, a 50% off sale. So I think I only paid like, I don't know. I think it was 50 or 40 or 30. I don't know, but I think I only paid $4 for this. So look how nice that is. And they come in strings like this. So what you would do is cut them off of here and then use them. You can use them as an earring. And they come with the clear beads, so you can use the clear bead with it. Now this would make a nice necklace. If I did a combination, I picked this because I like the iridescence, because they really shimmer. And then I can mix, see? So you might want to have that kind of idea. And again, I got all these at Hobby Lobby. So I just wanted to show you these things that I purchased, because I will be making some jewelry using these. And also eventually I'll be doing some DIY crafts, which I'll put on my DIY crafts playlist. So that's all I wanted to show you today. So go ahead and use some of my ideas. Go ahead and look through my DIY craft playlist and my jewelry tutorial playlist, and you can see some of the things that I made with these. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.